the ultimate Bitcoin trading strategy on BingX. Tips and tricks. Hey there, folks. Are you tired of feeling like a total noob when it comes to the wild world of Bitcoin trading? Well, my dude, have I got the juiciest insider info for you. I'm Ryan, and I'm about to spill the beans on the ultimate Bitcoin trading strategy that'll have you making bank in no time. So, buckle up and get ready to have your mind blown. Now, I know what you're thinking, Bitcoin trading. Isn't that just for the big shot Wall Street types with a penchant for high risk, high reward antics? Wrong-o, my friend. Bitcoin trading is where it's at for us regular Joes who want to get in on the crypto craze and make some serious dough. And the best part, you can do it all from the comfort of your own home, rocking your favorite sweatpants. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let me just say, this ain't your average get-rich-quick scheme. This is the real deal, folks. I've been in the game for years, and I've made my fair share of mistakes. But I've also learned a thing or two along the way, and I'm here to share it all with you. First and foremost, you gotta understand the ins and outs of Bitcoin. It's not just some digital funny money, it's a highly volatile, decentralized currency that's shaking up the financial world as we know it. And if you want to make the big bucks, you gotta be on top of your game. That's where the BingX crypto exchange comes in, my dudes. This platform is like the holy grail of Bitcoin trading, with a user-friendly interface and a ton of features that'll have you feeling like a pro in no time. And when you sign up using the referral code 911, you'll unlock a whole host of perks and bonuses that'll give you a serious leg up on the competition. Now, let's talk strategy. The key to successful Bitcoin trading is all about timing, my friends. You gotta be able to spot the trends, read the market, and make your moves with laser-like precision. And trust me, I've tried them all, from day trading to hodling and everything in between. But the real secret sauce is all about understanding the technical analysis. I'm talking candlestick patterns, moving averages, and Fibonacci retracements, the whole 9 yards. It might sound like a bunch of jargon at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's like you've got a crystal ball that lets you see into the future of the Bitcoin market. And let me tell you, when you start nailing those trading signals, the profits start rolling in faster than you can say Satoshi Nakamoto. I'm talking gains of 10%, 20%, even 30%, and that's just the tip of the iceberg, my friends. But it's not all just about the money, you know. There's a whole lot of strategy and skill involved in Bitcoin trading, and that's what really gets me fired up. It's like playing a high-stakes game of chess, where every move you make can make or break your bankroll. And let me tell you, when you start raking in those profits, the thrill is unreal. It's like you're on top of the world, and every trade you make is like a little victory dance. But it's not just about the money, my dudes. It's about the challenge, the excitement, and the sheer rush of conquering the crypto market. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Ryan, how do I get started? This all sounds great, but I'm still a total noob. Well, fear not, my friend. That's why I'm here, to guide you through the process step by step. First things first, you gotta sign up on the BingX crypto exchange. And remember, when you're registering, be sure to use the referral code 911 to unlock all those sweet bonuses and perks. Trust me, it's gonna make your life a whole lot easier. Next, it's time to dive into the world of technical analysis. I know it might seem daunting at first, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, it's like a whole new world opens up. Start by learning the basics, candlestick patterns, moving averages, Fibonacci retracements, the whole shebang. And don't forget to keep an eye on the news and the latest Bitcoin trends. The crypto market is constantly evolving, and the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make those killer trades. But the most important thing, my friends, is to never stop learning. The Bitcoin trading game is like a never-ending puzzle, and the more you put in, the more you'll get out. So, stay hungry, stay curious, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And remember, when you're ready to take your Bitcoin trading to the next level, be sure to head over to BingX and use that referral code 911. It's like the secret sauce that'll have you raking in the profits in no time. So, what are you waiting for, my dudes? The Bitcoin trading revolution is here, and it's time to get in on the action. Let's do this.